Congratulations on the purchase of the PVI Wheel-A-Bout ramp. The ramp will arrive attached to a pallet. Once you've unpacked your new ramp, remove the ramp from the pallet. Then remove the installation instructions and the zip ties. Remove the quick release pins from the handle. Fold the handle up and replace the quick release pins to lock the handle into place. The handle is used to help move the ramp around more easily. To ensure that the slope of your ramp remains within manufacturer's specifications, locate the chart on the back of the ramp which indicates how steep the ramp can safely be sloped based on the ramp's length. To use the ramp, wheel the ramp to the desired area. Remove the quick release pins and fold the handle down and replace the pins to lock the handle into place. Next, lay the ramp flat with the hook side down. Remove the pins and rotate the support bars into position and reinsert the pins. Undo the Velcro straps and unfold the ramp. Remember, do not undo the Velcro straps until the ramp is laid down flat. With the ramp folded out, remove the quick release pins from the support bars on each side and slide the straps forward. Align the holes in the strap with the top assembly and replace the quick release pins. Finally, move the ramp into position and make sure the hook of the ramp is pressed firmly against the step. Mark the pin locations using a pen or pencil. Remove the ramp. And using a drill with a 5/16 inch drill bit, drill 2 holes approximately 2 inches deep. Whenever possible, use the clevis pins provided to lock the ramp into place. Set the ramp back into position and drop the clevis pins into the holes. Your Wheel-A-Bout ramp is rated up to 600 pounds. To store your ramp, simply reverse the steps taken to deploy it. Then wheel your ramp up against a wall and out of the way. If you have additional questions about safety, the use of our portable access products, or any other questions about the setup or use of your ramp, contact PVI at 800-554-7267.